Mateo! What are you doing? The marshmallows are for the cake. I will go get it.
Okay.
Hello, Mateo. What are you doing?
I'm making a cake for my daddy.
All right. It's his birthday.
Droney, can you help me?
Of course. I will help you step by step. First, we take half a glass of sugar and then pour it inside. Just like that. Now we take 1 egg, break it, then put it inside. Exactly. Great job. Now we mix it all together.
Like this?
Yes, great work. Now we add oil, milk, and vanilla.
Oops!
That's okay. Keep going. Now we add the cocoa, flour, and baking powder. Mix it all together until we get one color.
Hey, what's that noise? Shh.
Chocolate!
Mateo, it's not ready yet. Okay, let's keep going. Now, we need to pour it in the baking tray. Can you go get it, please? Mateo, wait! Put the cake back. I will put it in. Ovens are not for kids. There we go. Now we close. Oh no! Look at all this mess! We have to clean it. And then, after the cake is ready, we're gonna put the marshmallows on it. It's gonna be great! We just have to wait for 30 minutes. Mateo! What are you doing? The marshmallows are for the cake. I will go get it.
Okay. Wow!
Now let's put the marshmallows on the cake.
Mateo, what is that?
Yay! Happy birthday, Daddy!
Happy birthday, airplane man.
You remembered my birthday?
Of course.
Thank you so much. Give me a hug. Let's eat some cake.
Yay!
Our cooking adventure is over. Happy birthday, airplane man. Our next adventure is waiting for you in the next video. Join us in the Airplane Man channel. See you there.